This call is now being recorded.
Well, welcome to the Fresh and Spirit podcast. I am your host, Louis Villarosa. Well, welcome to the Fresh and Spirit podcast. I am your host, Louis. Today, we will be fishing for how to prevent users of the Brick app from hacking the the settings, screen time, uh, apps with screen time access. So let me tell you the problem with the brick that I heard from another user is their child or their kid was able to work around the brick app by disabling the screen time setting. Here you can see it's enabled. So if I disable it, now I can access all the apps that should have been brick. When you do this and you go to the brick app, when you disable it, you will lose an emergency unbrick. As you can see here, I started at 5. I tested it today. And when I reconnected and enabled the brick app, as you see here, if I re-enable it, it will reduce the emergency unbricks count from 5 to 4 and so forth if the user keeps disabling it in this screen time screen. So today we're going to exercise the blocking screen time settings via shortcuts, which was posted on the Brick app website. However, it's a little bit dated. So we're just going to go through the video. And if you want to pursue or receive my document that has the step by step, please comment, like, and subscribe, and we will get you those documents as soon as possible. So let's go. Let me just show you right now. I am unbricked. And so when I go to the settings, again, I can go here and disable the brick apps with screen time access, allowing me as a user to go into whatever apps in my phone. So I've got it set up and configured already, as you can see here. I will show you what is expected once this video is completed. So we're going to go and brick the phone. And so now if I go back to my settings, it should redirect me. The expectation is it will redirect me to the Brick app. As you can see here, anytime I try to go into the settings, it will just do a loop and not allow me to disable it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to start it from scratch. As you can see, it's already working. And as I try to, again, try to disable it, it won't let me because the shortcut has an automation loop to resend me to the Brick app, preventing me from disabling the screen time settings. So now we're just going to remove this and delete this, and we'll just show you how I set this up. So first, we will go to the Shortcuts app, and here we will select New Automation, or the plus sign will be available on the top right corner. Once we get to this screen, we were going to go down and select the app. In this screen, we must make sure that is open is selected. And then here we select run immediately. And then on the top, after we do those two steps, we will select choose. And here we will choose settings. That's the app that we want to restrict the users, in this case, child, that we're trying to create boundaries for. So we'll select settings. We'll hit done on the top right. In this screen, we will select next. And then select the top left, new blank automation. We will search for Brick. And then select is Brick mode enabled. Now our screen should look like this once we do that. Then we're going to open up and select scripting here. And we're going to look for the control flow called if. As you can see here under control flow, we want to select if. After selecting if, let me see. We will now search. Okay, let me just take a screenshot of this. We will now select open an app. And now we're going to select the word app and go down and find Brick. We will, as you can see, your screen should look like this, and then we're going to select X on otherwise. After that, we're going to shift or hold down the last row and pinch it like this, or hold it down with your thumb if that's what you use, and then just move it up above the end if. And then after this, you should just select the done button on the top right, and we should be done. So now we will go and test the whole thing again. It is already Brick. So if I go to the settings, it should behave where it sets me back like when we started this video. Well, that should be it. If please comment, like, and subscribe this video if you found any value into this video. Again, comment if you want me to send you the documentation step by step, and I'll get that to you as soon as possible. Just comment Brick in the comments. And thank you again for watching. Bye.